How to use Zelle and Truist mobile banking app. In order to use Zelle and Truist mobile app, you want to log into your Truist mobile banking app first thing first. So once you're logged into your Truist mobile banking app, you then need to tap onto Transfer and Pay section. As you click onto Transfer and Pay section, you then want to go ahead and select Send Money with Zelle. That means you just want to go ahead and enroll your email and phone number. So you just want to go ahead and select that option and click onto a send button or the QR code icon to scan as well. Then you just want to send or choose a receipt or add new person. Then have to enter the amount, review the details, especially for new contacts, and tap and send as well. After which you want to receive the money. That means you have to enroll in the app, or just go to transfer and pay, select send with Zelle, and enroll your US mobile number to or email address. To receive you just want to find your QR code in the preference or under send money with Zelle and share it. And to pay someone, use the QR code icon in the send screen to scan the QR code. So this way you'll have successfully used Zelle and Truist mobile app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.